Yo, welcome to the Daily Hack. This is a series where I'm going to show you a bunch of different things that you can do with this little bag of sand, and it doesn't just involve kicking. Of course, I'm going to show you some kicks, but there's a ton of stuff you can do with this, and I want to show you how you can get creative with the bag and have a ton of fun doing it. Now, as we go through this series, if there's something that feels too easy for you, I'm going to give you some different ways that you can progress and make this more challenging. And if this stuff is challenging for you, I encourage you to push through the frustration. Don't just throw it down and say, hey, this is stupid, all right? Because this is an opportunity for you to get to know yourself and how you deal with failure, deal with pressure, and that frustration. Enough talking, let's get into it. First move we're gonna get into is hand taps. So all I'm gonna do is tap the bag. You can see I'm in an athletic position. I'm controlling the bag with the taps, and I'm finding a nice rhythm with it. You don't have to stick with just alternating hands. You can move around, you can change levels, you can change positions. But notice that as you're going through this, hopefully with me, there's some stress in the body, right? You gotta keep your eye on the bag. You gotta make sure that you're being controlled and connected with your movements. And maybe it's tough for you to actually control the bag. So if that's the case, then here's what I recommend. What you can do is work on some tosses and catches. And you can also kind of stall that on the palm or on the fingertips just for a little added challenge. Now this toss and catch we'll do a lot of different stuff with, but just for the sake of making it a little bit more challenging in this video, stand on one leg. Tune it into your body, tune it into your breath, connecting with the task at hand, switching legs. So I've already given you a bunch of stuff that you can do with the hand taps and that toss and catch. But in case you're like, this is way too easy, Grant, throw me something a little bit more challenging. You're either gonna catch and stall on the back of your hand. Oop. All right, you know, failure is part of the game. Or you can go with the taps. And now you can see I'm moving around a bunch. I don't know who recommended this to me, but whoever it was in the comments on YouTube, thank you. I'll give you a shout out later on. So that way, you might get frustrated with this process. And you can see, man, this damn helicopter, don't you know I'm filming the Daily Hack video? Come on. Pause for a few seconds, we'll be right back to the show. Now what's cool about this is you can stick to, let's say, one task. I'm only gonna do the taps. You could go into another one, go through a series. Or you could just simply freestyle. So I want you to know that this is an opportunity for you to be creative. You don't have to follow my instructions. Little preview there. All right, that's what we got for the Daily Hack today. If you had fun with that, let me know in the comments below. Any suggestions, pop them in the comments, and I will see you next time. Stay smooth.